How to change location on Snapchat Maps. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Click on the pin icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, which will open Maps. Then, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. In here, after you click on the gear icon, it will lead you to this page. In here, you can enable ghost mode. In that way, location will be not seen by other people and other settings. But there is no one way to simply change your location. What you can do is open Play Store, search fake GPS location, install any of this app. After your app is installed, you can open the app, choose your location, and then open Snapchat and see if it works. And this is how to change location on Snap Maps. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.